A super lightweight cordless vacuum by Aigostar weighs less than 3 kg, a powerful 250 watt brushless motor that has an ideal suction power for a quick clean on carpets, hard flooring and dusty areas. Let's take out all the contents and set this up. A detailed instruction manual, some fixings for the vacuum bracket holder, a 3-pin UK charger, a wall mount to hold up your vacuum, (2.2 amp rechargeable battery. That will give you around 40 minutes of suction power on the lowest mode as stated. A beautiful metallic blue coloured extension bar, a soft dusting brush, crevice tool, a multi-tool that may come in handy. You got your floor head attachment, now what I like about this is that the roller can be easily removed for cleaning purposes. You got a 3-gear suction mode with a battery indicator. Press this button to empty the dust container. It's small but will be easier to clean. Push this button up to detach the container, which enables you to remove the dust filters too, making it much more easier to clean. Now you must understand that cordless vacuums are not as powerful as wired, but it carries enough suction power to give you that quick clean. Slot in the battery, charge it up, and let's give this a shot on how it performs. You guys can be the judge. Personally, I would say it's done a pretty good job in cleaning up. The good thing about it doesn't feel heavy in your hands that you may get tired out like other cordless vacuums. Guys, literally you don't need instructions, as it's super easy to set up to carry out cleaning chores around your home. Stay safe guys, peace.